Hello creative people! Thank you for checking out this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I made this 3-layer wall hanging. This is just a small wall hanging with 8 by 15 inches dimension. I used 3 colors for this project, natural and shades of green. You can absolutely choose any colors you like to make this wall hanging. I put the material details in the description below if you want to see it. And if you find any part of this video helpful, please show some love by clicking the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would be nice to share new tutorials with you every week. For the first layer, I have added 1 lark's head knot using 80 inches natural cord. Then, I'll take the right cord and move it over to the right side by making a lark's head knot. The gap between the 2 lark's head knot is about 2 inches. Now I will attach 5 lark's head knot using the 70 inches natural color cords. I started in the middle to make sure it's centered. I will now make a diagonal double half hitch knots using 5 cords on each side. If you want to learn how to make a double half hitch knot, you can watch my video about 11 basic macrame knots. Click the link above if you want to see it. If you find the tutorial speed too fast or slow, you can always pause the video at any time or change the playback speed settings. Both sides are done. Now I will lock these 2 cords by making a double half hitch knot. Now I'm going to make 3 berry knots starting from the left side. I will make another row of diagonal double half hitch knots to complete the first layer of the wall hanging. I will now work on the second layer of the wall hanging by attaching a 70 inches light green cord using lark's head knot. I will do them on both sides like how I started the first layer. This time, I'm leaving an 8 inches gap. I'll add 17 lark's head knot with 60 inches cord length, again starting from the middle to make it centered. I'm going to make double half hitch knots by aligning it to the curve pattern. Now I'm going to work on the last layer by attaching 3 lark's head knot using 110 inches dark green cords. I will make a wave pattern for this third layer and I will show you slowly how it's done using these 6 cords. So I made 16 waves on each side. Now I'm going to attach these cords by making 3 lark's head knot using 2 strands each. So after I made a loop using the first cord, I tuck it in behind the same cord and pull it through. I gathered the cords at the back and locked them by making 2 square knots and cut the excess cords. I trimmed the end part by cutting the light green cords in a semi-V shape. Then I cut the natural cords behind it and slightly brushed the ends to make a fringe.